Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks or hedge funds will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI technology are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Today is August the 10th. I want you to see how EBIX pops up at the very top of the dashboard in the #1 overall position with a 444% increase in institutional bearish volume. No surprises, the stock is dropping a third of its total value. What our AI technology is detecting is that typically only about $5 million of the stock is traded by large market makers behind a closed door over a previous 7-day average. Today it's nearly 23 million, massive increase from what it would normally get, and for a small cap stock, that's a lot. So no wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to this information early, which is why we choose to follow the private exchanges, which is where a majority of market volume actually gets traded, as well as using lightning fast machine learning technology to be able to pick up at 9:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time that there's a massive signal of institutional red bearish pressure. So if you had done put options on EBIX, take a look at that list of triple and even quadruple digit winners. For example, let's say that you had done the $15 put option. We're going to go ahead and stick with the 15-minute candle. We know our AI picked it up at 9:43, but let's just use the 9:45 candle. It'll make things a little bit easier. Down here, you could see that options were hanging around between about 30 to 32 cents. At its max, that's a 544% return. But it's not about squeaking every single last percentage point out of it. In fact, that's most likely not going to happen. The market moves very fast. Look at this nice window of opportunity to enter that trade. It's about getting the information early as opposed to hearing about it after it's already moved. There's lots of profit to be made in between. For example, maybe you didn't even enter into the trade until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a half hour after our AI picked it up. And then maybe you just scalped it over here for a quick 158% return, or maybe you sold over here after a big drop. That's still a 337% return. Get the information and data down here, stop chasing things over here. And it wasn't just EBIX, we have many others that we could go through, but we only have time for maybe one or two more. So let's take a look at SONO popping up in the #3 overall position on the mid-cap space, nearly a 500% increase in bearish volume. Stock ends up dropping nearly 12%. So you can see that massive drop throughout the course of the day, being spearheaded in these institutional private exchange networks with a massive increase in red volume. So if we go to the alerts tab at tradealgo.com, let's check out SONO, and you can see at 9:33 a.m., 133 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure than is normally seen there. On the options side of the equation, we go to the TradeAlgo options chain, and you could see this one in particular, the $15 put option, had almost 1,000 contracts a daily volume and 1,600 on open interest. So it would have been very easy to know that that is the one to pay attention to. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. All the way down here, this is 9:33. Options were between about 8 to 12 cents. So let's say an average of 10 cents at its maximum, 462% return. But again, it's about getting the information early. Maybe you didn't even get into the trade until nearly 10:45, and then maybe you hopped out a little bit early at a triple-digit return. Congratulations to all of our users who are sharing amazing success stories with us as well throughout the day. You can see Disney right here at the top of our large cap on the trending upside. You can see Ford at the top of the trending downside, with lots of people sharing great success stories. In at 5 cents and out at 12 for more than a 100% return on Ford. Got some people over here making triple-digit returns on Disney. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.